It's the hay play here. I have some new toys here. Well, it's the Red Ranger.
You got the Red Ranger?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's awesome. He's like a little samurai.
It's really hard to get him on his face.
You want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
There we go. There you go. Go show that. Go show them. See the Red Ranger, samurai. What else did you get? Ooh, that's Whiplash. He's from Iron Man. Those little blue weapons that he has,
What?
they're electricity.
That's a lot of
They're whips that they're long weapons. They're whips, and they have electric on them. Can we put that on?
I think I can do it.
There you go. I'll get it for you. You want to go show the? You want to go show some of your friends that are watching?
Oh, you just see that? No, he fell right down.
You fell off.
Yeah.
Here, go show it. Go show your camera.
Oh my God, he didn't get enough.
Hey, he keeps getting up. There you go. There's Whiplash.
Here's a closer look. Beckham is really silly.
It is really silly. What else? What else did you get?
Can you please open this?
Sure.
They're little balls. I can open them.
I think there's like squinkies in them.
People at home, this might take a couple minutes. Hi.
Here's the first one. Go open it. Right there's the camera right there.
Hi.
Don't get too close.
Whoa! It's a turtle! Wow.
Just sit back a little bit, hey.
I'll put him back in his little house.
Well, it's Turtle Squinky.
Yeah. He's going back in his little house.
Here's another one.
Thanks. He's just in a chill out of all the animals. Let's go down.
I think they have names. Let me see.
Ooh. I can't see what it is.
Oh, the turtle's a rare one.
Oh.
They're called Squishland.
All of them are rare.
Yeah, there's giant ones. I think.
No, just the turtle's rare.
Yeah, just the turtle's rare.
I like the turtle and blowfish.
Blowfish, go show. Get that on the ground. There you go. Hold it up just a little bit. There you go. The blowfish and the turtle.
He's did a chill out, right?
What's the next one that you got?
Okay. I'll know because I'll know it. It's right here. Oh, it's red.
Sit down on the floor, honey.
What the? This is not a sea animal. It's a cow from a farm.
Here, hang on, I can't see it at all. No,